Alex, and I'm here to slime Mrs. Cadden.
My name is Isaac, and I raised $276.
And what are you here for?
To slime Miss Cadden.
Perfect.
My name is Abby, and I raised $270, and I'm gonna slime Miss Cadden.
Hi, my name is Joey. I raised $276. I'm here to slime Miss Cadden.
Hi, my name is Sally Moffat, and I raised $300, and I'm going to go down to the cafeteria to slime Miss Cadden.
Woohoo! Nolan Hadlock, and I raised $365. And what are you going to do today? Are you going to slime Mrs. Cadden? Yes, you are.
My name is Lena, and I raised
$275.
$275.
And why are you here?
Because I get to slime Mrs. Cadden.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Brooke, and I raised $357.
And why are you here today?
To slime Mrs. Cadden. Hi, I'm Hannah, and I raised $256, and I'm here to slime Mrs. Cadden.
Hi, my name is Lily, and I raised $403, and I'm here to slime Miss Cadden.
My name is Landon, and I raised $576, and I get to slime Mrs. Cadden. Hi, I'm Benny, and I raised $360, and I'm here to slime Miss Cadden.
Hi, my name is Warren. I raised $502, and I am going here to slime Miss Cadden.
Hey everyone, we are here this afternoon for our sliming day for our Kids Heart Challenge. Our school, our small school, has done such a fantastic job this year. Our goal was set at $6,500 this year, and we are now over $8,000 for this year for the American Heart Association. So these kids here have gotten the ultimate opportunity to slime me because they raised over $250 on their own. So I have to face the ultimate punishment of sliming. So here we go.
All right, Miss Brooke. Oh no! Joey!
It's going down my neck.
Who's next in line over there? How about Abby?
Come on out.
Oh, that was a yucky one.
Right in my lap.
How about Sully? How about Oren, birthday boy? Woo! Oh, he's making sure it's all out of there. How about Lena? Oh, Lena is committed. How about Landon?
All right, Landon. Landon raised the most money out of all of them.
Oh, so he really won.
Oh, it's so cool.
Lily. Go ahead. How about, who still has slime? Oh, Nolan, come on up, Nolan. Go ahead, Nolan. Whoa! Oh, there you go. Yes, make sure you get all of that. There we go. And I think, last but not least,
I think we have Isaac and Peyton.
oh, Peyton, come on over. Well, oh, she is very committed. Look at that. Woohoo! And Isaac.
Last one.
Oh, that went right down your back, I think.
Yep.
Alrighty, so on the count of 3, I think we need to say hip hip hooray for Mrs. Cadden for doing this. Are you ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3. Hip hip hooray! All right, any words for this, Mrs. Cadden?
I'm cold, I'm slimy, and it's in my shoes.
And I bet you she's super proud of you.
I am absolutely proud of everyone. Thank you for all of your participation this year. I love you guys.